Hello, students of the BUSN460 Senior Projects class. So for week one, it is very important that you go into modules. Go into the modules tab, and before week one, you have all this information, introduction and resources, course overview. So I'd like you to go through this before you access CAPSIM so that you understand what this course is all about. So you're going to be working on a team, but it's important for this everyone in the class to really understand what this CAPSIM, what this business simulation is all about. And the only way really to understand it is to go through this introduction resources, course overview, go through all of these and start understanding what this course is about. And you can also discuss it with the members of your team. Now, to actually access the CAPSIM, you go into this button over here. It says Access CAPSIM. Okay, it's in the same place, the same module. So you access the CAPSIM, and then you click on this blue button over here. Okay, now when you're in there in the CAPSIM, it's very important to go through the training. Okay, so you'll find it on the left side. Now, also, I want to point out that mine might look a little bit different than yours because you're the student and I'm the professor, so mine might be a little bit different. Like I have administration rights, but it's very important to go through go through all the training, and then after you go through all the training, make sure that you take the quiz. And it's very important to take the quiz, and then you can know and rest assured that you've done the proper training to understand about this CAPSIM. Okay, so training and then the quiz. Okay, now the other thing I just want to mention something that I do, but it will affect you as well. As when I go into administration, there's something called participant management, and then there's something called team assignment, which is assigned students to the team. So you have different kinds of different types of companies that you're assigned to. So when I go over here, okay, so right now for example, we have Jennifer Ackerman. She's assigned to Andrews. Okay, so I do that. I do the assignment, so I will see your names popping up here. So right now, let's say this student here is unassigned. So then I need to assign her to a specific company. So why am I telling you this? Because if you're not assigned, then you need to be assigned, okay? Because and I do the assignments. So I've already put out in the course announcements what company you're assigned to. If you're assigned to Andrews or Baldwin or Chester or Digby, but I have to fill this out because if it's not filled out, then you're not actually assigned in CAPSIM. Okay, so this is the way I assign you in CAPSIM. And if you're not sure, then you should send me an email about it if you're not assigned and you want to be assigned. So if you're not assigned yet, so you need to create an account. That's the first thing you should do, is create your account. And then if you create an account for yourself, then you will show up over here, and then I will be able to assign you. So you don't have to worry because you don't have to send me email to assign you because I'm going to be checking this pretty much every day and to make the assignment. So you don't have to say, oh, please assign me. But what you do have to do is create the account for yourself under CAPSIM. And if you don't know how to do that, I think you should really get together with either your team leader or members of your team as to how to create the account under CAPSIM. So again, let's just recap a little bit. To create the account under CAPSIM, to go through the training, and to take the quiz. Okay, lastly, I just want to mention two other things. One is together with your team members to keep an eye out for the different rounds, but also what are the due dates for the rounds. So again, remember in the beginning you're going to be doing practice rounds, and then you're going to do the real thing. So work with your team to do that, but pay attention to the due dates, okay? And work with your team and make sure that you make the due dates for the both the practice runs and the real runs. The other thing is that I'm not like really grading you on who the winner or the loser is, but what I'm more interested is how do you work with your team? That's very important, right? Are you like someone who like works with your team and gets along with your team members, or are you someone who like is unavailable and slacks off? So I'll be looking at that. Okay, I'll be asking like the team leaders, um, how are the team members working together? Okay, so it's very important. More important than who is the winner is how is the team members working together. And the other thing that's important is like when you make a mistake, to learn from the mistake. Okay, so for example, if your company doesn't have a proper marketing campaign or making decent profits or some other problem, their loans are too big, whatever it is, how did you learn from the mistake? Like to me, that's very important because this course is a learning course, and luckily, since it's simulation, you're not going to be losing real money. Okay? So it's good to learn in this course before because you don't want to lose actual money. Okay, so it's good to learn in this course. And then the last thing I want to say is that you should also work with your team to make the team charter. I think I mentioned it someplace. Make the team charter, and the team charter, and only one member of the team needs to send me the team charter, and you can send it as an email. You don't have to upload it. And then I will give the grade for everyone in the team. Okay, so only one member needs to send it to me. You can send it as an email attachment, and then I will like upload all the grades. I'll manually grade it, and that is due. The team charter is due next Tuesday, which is January 15th. Tuesday, January 15th, 2019. That's when the team charter is due. Okay, that's it. Have a good day, everyone.